You pay $16 for a genuine Wagner ware fryer? I think you probably would. We actually scored one today at one of our local thrift stores for $16. We found this Wagner #8 deep fryer, Sydney model, at our local thrift store. $16 with a coupon. It was actually 19.99, but since we donated something, they gave us a coupon for 20% off. So $16 for this. I mean, look, it is great condition. It is, it's old. They're 50, 60 years old. No, made in the U.S., so it's definitely got some age to it. And we're gonna clean this up. We got a Sydney Wagner #8. Needs a little love, but we're gonna clean this thing up and it's gonna be beautiful. Follow along if you want to see this nice and clean. And also, if you're stoked about finding stuff like this, and put a comment in if you have found something like this. Let me tell you, it's a good feeling.